Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about Braeburn apples. These apples originated in New Zealand in 1952 and they were discovered rather than bred, which means that they were naturally pollinated. The bees did the work there. It's assumed that their parentage is a Lady Hamilton apple and Granny Smith apple, so that's an interesting note right there. They're now grown in the United States, primarily in the state of Washington. Regarding the characteristics, Braeburn apples are thin-skinned with a classic apple flavor and a perfect balance between sweet and tart. They have a pale yellow flesh that's crispy and juicy and deliciously sweet tart with little hints of cinnamon and nutmeg in there. Regarding best uses, Braeburn apples are excellent when eaten raw, out of hand, and you can cut them up into salads. They can be used in cooking and in making fruit juices as well. Their sweetness does tend to mellow out when they are cooked, so they're a good choice really for savory applications. Like being cooked with meats, they pair well with pork chops in that respect. Braeburn apples do hold their shape well when they're heated, so they're excellent served as a baked apple, and they can be included in pies and other baked desserts like that. I do hope this helps you out. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.